Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, I'm going to do a very quick review of Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader and give you my opinion on the service and whether it is actually worth the money or not. What I'm going to do then is just walk you around the members area and then just give my final rating for this service. And also, I'm going to give you a special link so you can sign up for 80% of the usual price, which is $4.99. So if you're excited to join, you can get started today for only $99. But let me just give you my thoughts on the service. So I've been a member of Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader since I think the service launched in August 2022, and I've done many of his trades. And whilst I've not won every trade, a lot of the trades I've done I've won, and I've actually made some pretty decent profits. I mean, the usual profits you make with Larry's trades are anywhere from 50% to 150%, and in some cases over 200% a trade. And if you don't know, Larry's got a very specific way of how he trades stocks in the stock market, just using one stock pick at a time, and that is with options contracts. So what Larry does, and I'm not going to go into depth here because it's way out of the scope of this video, you're basically buying contracts in shares called options contracts. Each options contract controls 100 shares. If you think the market stock price is going up, you buy a call option, which means for every contract you buy, you control 100 shares for a set period of time. And then if you think the stock price is going down, you want to hedge against the share price, then you can buy a put, which again controls 100 shares. And where you make the money trading options is not buying and selling the shares, it's buying and selling the premium. So if you buy a call option, you could be paying, say for example, this is just an example, $2 a share. So you'd be paying $200 for that contract. Obviously, if a price rises and it exceeds your strike price, because for each contract you buy, you have to, you think the strike price is the price you think the share price is going to go above. So if it goes above the strike price in the options contract, then you're going to make more money. So hence your premium you paid is going to go up. So that's where the profit is. So that is basically what Larry does. He buys call or put options, and basically he makes money off a premium. And the idea is to make more premium than you bought the options contract for. And the beautiful thing about options, you don't have to buy one contract. You can buy many contracts, which only increases your profits further. Obviously increasing your risk if you don't make the money, but you can make a lot of money options trading. But Larry is more of a conservative trader, so he's not going for the silly trades. But with Larry and Larry's strategy, you can still make 50, 150, 200% return on your money on the options contract you buy in as little as a week. So, if you've basically got a little bit of money you want to play with, ideally to get going, you're going to need, you really should be having $500 to $1,000 in your trading account. If you're broke and you've only got $50, maybe $100, and you really need that money, this service isn't for you. This is for you probably if you're over 40, 45, you've got a nice retirement fund, but you want more gains than you're getting from the bank and your IRA. And options trading is a great way to do it. You can build up your trading account very, very nicely using this strategy. And I've won many trades. I mean, my best profit was 150% on a trade, which I was very happy with. So is it worth the money? Absolutely. Very unique way to trade. In the service, which I'm going to show you in a minute, Larry lays out his strategy and shows you how to place all of his trades. So usually to join One Ticker Trader, they do an introductory offer. Usually it's $199 to join. I think it's a bargain at $199. If you follow Larry's trades, you're going to make your investment back very quickly. So yeah, it is well worth the money, especially if you want to, grow your trading account more quickly than you would just by leaving your money in the bank or your IRA or with your fund manager. where you probably only get about 5-10% a year. So a brilliant, it's well worth the money. You can easily make your $199 back. But like I said, I'm going to give you a link so you can join for only $99. And you can make that back easily with one trade. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. You could quite, if you start with, a trading account of $1,000, you follow a couple of Larry's trades, and say if you put $500 of that $1,000 on and you make 100%, you could build up your trading account very, very nicely in the space of a couple of months. And then the idea is over the months and the years, if you stay with Larry, you could build up a 5 and a 6 figure, trading account very nicely, within a year or two, maybe soon. It just depends how much risk you want to take. Great service. Anyway, let me walk you through the members area. So this is the issues and updates. This is where you get the monthly newsletter, any updates, but also critically, Larry's trade alerts. In his trade alerts, he'll give you all of the details. He'll give you the ticker, the strike price, and the premium price. Remember, the premium price is the price you'll pay for one share in an options contract. So if you see a premium for say $2, you're going to multiply that by 100. So you're going to be paying $200 per options contract. But you get all of the information in Larry's trades. Next thing is the special reports. If you can see, I'm not going to go any because these are all of the special reports here. One tick retirement plan. That is Larry's fundamental trading strategy. The money shot calendar, which is really interesting. And his latest report, the Bitcoin skimming blueprint, where Larry shows you how to trade Bitcoin using options. Remember, with options, where you probably don't know, options work best when the market is volatile because you can trade the peaks and troughs of the share price. The more volatile, the more money you're going to make. You've got the portfolio with all the open trades, and then you get all of the trading videos, which basically walk you through the different platforms you can use to place the trades and how to place them. So that is basically Larry's one ticker trader in a nutshell. What would I give it out of 5? I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It takes a little bit of wrapping your head around how options work, but once the penny drops and you start doing a couple of Larry's trades and you start winning a few, you're going to be hooked on this. It's very, very addictive. Not in a bad way, but once, if you put a $500 trade on and you double your money, you're going to be pretty excited about this service. So I give it a 4 out of 5. There's a bit of a learning curve to get up to speed, but other than that, fantastic service. So if you want to join Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader, I'll leave a link below. You can join for 80% off. And you can join for $99. I've no idea how long this offer is going to be, because it's usually you join for $199. I think that offer's still floating around somewhere, but this offer's just come up, and the page, on the page you'll see all of the the sort of paraphernalia for the Bitcoin skimming project, but ultimately when you join, you'll see all of this. So if you want to join for $99, which is 80% off because it's normally $499, link in the comment description below. I highly rate this service. Larry is a genius when it comes to options trading, especially his strategy, and I think you'll be very satisfied with his service. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.